welcome to episode 3 of Walk the Talk in English Office Edition. I know your day is already full. Calls हैं, deadlines हैं, manager को updates देनी है. So when someone says you should practice English for 2 hours a day, you kind of want to throw your phone. I know that. So मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ because I get it. That is why in episode 3 I'm giving you a real routine. Not aspirational, not impossible, real. Just one that fits into your actual 9 to 5 day and you can follow it without any stress. चलो फिर let's start. Okay, so you have to reach the office by 9. 7 बजे तक उठ जाते होगे. So around 7:30 a.m. while getting ready, start by 10 minutes listening. Passive input, बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं देना है, okay? So play something in English in the background while brushing your teeth, making chai, or packing your bag. Anything. You just play something in the background and start immersing yourself in the language. Now, you have to understand this कि यहाँ पे the goal is not to learn English. यहाँ पे the real goal is to stay motivated. तो कुछ ऐसा सुनो जो आपको motivated रख पाए पूरे दिन के लिए. TED Talks हो गए, podcasts, interviews, anything that could set you up for the day. Okay? So just absorb real English sounds. And on top of it, you don't need to understand everything. Just let it live in your ears and listen to the language passively. Okay, so now यहाँ से आपका real day start हो गया है. So reach office, finish your tasks, create to-do list, have meetings, create presentation, whatsoever on your plate. Just finish it up. Focus on your work. Okay? थोड़ी देर बैठ गए हैं as I was also recording some of my Instagram reels before this video. So a bit exhausted and if you're not following me on Instagram yet, then hit the follow button. I'm asking my video editor to paste some link over here, okay? So do follow over there as well. Okay, so आपका real day start हो गया, ठीक है? अभी आपको time नहीं मिला. In between around 11 or 12, हाँ I know, बहुत काम होता है उस time, 1 मिनट भी सर उठाने की फुर्सत नहीं होती है. Not every day, but जब भी time मिले around 11 or 12, at least on alternative days, just for 5 minutes. यार व्हाट्सएप भी तो चेक करते हो, रील्स भी तो स्क्रॉल कर लेते हो कई बार. बस उसी टाइम पे इंस्टेड ऑफ डूम स्क्रॉलिंग से वन सेंटेंस अलाउड. दैट्स इट. क्या बोल सकते हो? आई एम फीलिंग ओवरवेल्म्ड विद दिस प्रोजेक्ट, और यू कैन से आई नीड टू रीसेट माई ब्रेन फॉर 5 minutes. लेट्स हैव अ कॉफी ब्रेक. दैट्स इट. ठीक है, नाउ गेट बैक टू वर्क. Okay, so now around 2 or 3, whenever you have your lunch, make a lunchtime ritual. So if you are having lunch with your colleagues, then practice light conversations with them in English. Keep some friendly phrases on your tips, ठीक है? पहले से ही अपने tips पे रख लो. For example, that presentation was really sharp. Loved how you explained the numbers. किसी को compliment दे दो. या फिर oh my god, this sabzi is hitting hard. Oh, I needed this break. This morning meeting drained me. I watched the funniest video last night. You have to see it. Now, your goal is not to aim for the perfect English. Just aim for connection in English. Okay? Now, एक चीज़ और क्या हो सकती है? You are sitting alone. Then make this habit of watching something in English while having your food. हाँ, मुझे पता है खाना खाते हुए स्क्रीन नहीं देखनी चाहिए. But you are up to something, right? You have to become a confident communicator. And you have no time with your 9 to 5. तो कहीं तो compromise करना पड़ेगा, right? So while having your lunch, watch something, some stand-up comedy or a Bollywood interview or some fun episode, anything that could relax your brain, but at the same time you are subconsciously learning the language. There you go. Now get back on your desk. देखो अभी सिर्फ 3 बजे हैं and you have already done so much already. Now 4 to 6 is the time where your energy drops. जैसे अभी मेरी हो गई है ना, वैसे ही. तो यहाँ पे एक सिंपल सी एक्सरसाइज करो, ठीक है? लेट्स कीप इट लाइट. लुक अराउंड एंड ट्राई टू डिस्क्राइब एन ऑब्जेक्ट इन इंग्लिश. दिस इज अ वाटर बॉटल. It's small, it's round, it's lightweight, and it's made of plastic. The body is pink in color and the cap is black. It has this string, so I can keep it safe in my hand. Simple but really useful. ठीक है? That's it. When you start doing it every day, you will see a massive shift in your communication. Now around 7 or 8 p.m. while walking home or sitting in a cab, open YouTube video or an Instagram reel, find a video clip, start watching it, pause in between, repeat one sentence, match the tone and repeat. Pro tip, and सुनो, कुछ टाइम के लिए सिर्फ उन लोगों को फॉलो कर लो इंस्टाग्राम पे जो इंग्लिश में ही कंटेंट बनाते. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द टीचर्स, मेरे जैसे टीचर्स नहीं. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दोज पीपल जो इंग्लिश में फ़न कर रहे हैं या इंग्लिश में कम्युनिकेशन करते हुए मेकअप कर रहे हैं या गेट रेडी विद मी कर रहे हैं. यू नो, उन लोगों को फॉलो करो जो अपनी वीडियोस में इंग्लिश में ही बात करते हैं. बस करते रहो आप doom scrolling. It can be your new guilty pleasure, by the way. Okay, so it's 9 p.m. It's time to wind down. Reflect in with 2 sentences. As you switch off your laptop and stare into the void like we all do, you have to write a few lines about your day. Last, I promise. क्या करना है? You have to write about your day or anything in general. Journaling करो. I woke up around 7:30. I did my English practice. I had poha in my breakfast. I handled a tough conversation with my teammate in English today. कुछ भी. Okay, etc. etc. Just try to write whatever comes to your mind. And why are we doing it specifically at night? Because इस time पे it is a wind down ritual. ये आपकी English तो improve करेगा ही, साथ में आपको relax करेगा. So try it. And hey, if you're thinking कि this all sounds great, yeah, but how will I stick to it? मैं एक दिन करता हूँ practice and next day consistency नहीं maintain कर पाता and I'm already exhausted. How will I do this alone? Then you don't have to do it, okay? I can understand that sometimes we all need somebody to stay accountable to or some mentor who could guide us step by step. That is why I created the 7-day speaking glow up. It's a short practice-based experience to kickstart your confidence with English. कोई ग्रामर नहीं है, कोई सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर नहीं सीखना. प्रैक्टिस बेस्ड वीडियो लेसन्स हैं, प्रिंटेबल वर्कशीट्स हैं, सो लर्न एट योर ओन पेस. A real transformation designed for busy people like you. And it comes up with 12 live sessions. And it is only for $4.99. Yes, even less than the cost of a pizza. Right? So link is in the description. Enroll yourself and let's practice together in the classroom. That is all. Now repeat this daily. And there is a weekend bonus. Pick a Saturday or Sunday. Just 15 minutes. Record yourself speaking in English. Your introduction, your hobbies, your strengths, your weaknesses, the city that you live in, या वो जो रात को आप लिखते हो, जर्नलिंग करते हो, वही सिर्फ बोल लो, वीडियो के आके रिकॉर्ड कर लो. Anything, just record. Okay? Okay, so now subscribe to my channel and stay tuned until I see you in episode 4 of Walk the Talk in English Office Edition. Bye bye.